Hello guys, we have an unboxing to do, food unboxing to do today. So let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have. Okay, I like opening food package. So today I had a food package online and it came in not quite long, and this is unusual because who orders food online, like raw food online? This is African meal. You know, I live in the Netherlands and this you can't find in regular store. This is palm oil, guys. Palm oil. Oh nay, this palm oil is from, let me see the country it's from. Even though they say it's from Netherlands, but we all know that it is not originally from Netherlands. So it was produced in Ecuador, but for the Netherlands. So this is palm oil. Like, we like using palm oil to cook in Africa. Guys, look at the packaging. Can you guess what is inside here? Can you guess? Yeah. Oh my god, see the way they package yam. Wow, these yam are Ghanaian yams. Yes, in Nigeria we eat yam a lot. We eat yam, we use it to cook porridge, and yeah, hopefully they are nice. I'm going to peel this yam and preserve it in my fridge. Another thing I have is plantain. These are plantain. Oh, they put cold patches on it. See, this is to preserve it because you order something online, most times it doesn't come maybe for the next 24 hours. So very good, nice. They preserve the plantain. Wow. And they packaged it nicely. Good packaging. So this yam is almost 10 euro, I think 9.9 something. So yeah, not bad. At least we can eat from it 3 times or thereabout. Can you see this one? Plantain. So yes, this is raw groundnuts. I want to use it to make a spice that I'm going to show you on this page. I'm super excited about this order. Wow. Now I also have this. This is Gari. Ijebu Gari. But I never thought this Gari is going to be small like this. You know, in Nigeria we have what we call Ijebu Gari. This Gari is the Gari that slaps when you eat it. It slaps, guys. Okay, yes, it's in twofold. Because I was wondering why is it small like this. So 2 of the Ijebu Gari. Nice. Then I also have some spices. I have the rosemary spice. And I also have the parsley. Rosemary and parsley. Nice. I'm going to use them nicely both for my soups and meat and fish seasoning, and I'm also going to use it for my hair care. You know, a lot of things goes on rosemary. Like, I don't want to be left out. Another thing that is going to shock you that I ordered is coconut. As a proper African lady, I enjoy coconut. I genuinely enjoy coconut, yes. So the last but not the least is also, why do I have 2? This is 1 kg, this is 1 kg. Why do I have 2? I don't know. Now I need to go and check the paper that I used to order and see if my order is complete, because I usually forget what I order. When they come, that's when I remember. So that's all. Nice packaging overall. You know, they look neat and nicely packaged. I usually don't buy too much of food online, but this time around, it's so nice to buy this and get, yeah. You can see everything is looking nice and beautiful. And yes, if I taste them, if I cook and taste them and I enjoy them, I'm going to order again. Yes, I'm going to. Because all these that you are seeing, they are all less than 40 euro. Yes, they are less than 40 euro. And I think it's not bad at all. I thought I bought beans, but yeah, I didn't, I think. So this is the first time I'm trying the shop online, and I'm happy my order came in, to time, came well wrapped, no spillover, no complaint. And hopefully when I cut this yam, hopefully the yam is good, because that's one of my biggest fear. Oh my God. But this little part that I'm opening the yam, it looks like it's chocolate yam. It looks like it's spoiled. Oh, I hope so. I hope not. I hope it is not spoiled. Can you see? Hopefully. Because this is the first time I'm buying from the shop. So what do you think about all of this? Do you think it is good and cool enough? Let me know. Do you shop online? For those African people that are living in Europe, do you shop African meals online? Because these are typically African meals that I cannot get in the Dutch shop. So, except maybe for the spices and the groundnut, and sometimes you get coconut to buy. The yam, the plantain, and the palm oil gari, most times you get them in the Asian shops or the African shops or the Caribbeans, I think. Yeah. So thank you for unboxing with me. Until next time, please like, comment, share, subscribe to this page, and I'll see you. Peace out. Bye.